We're just a few months away from the much-anticipated launch of Samsung's Galaxy S25 series set to debut in January 2025. As the first flagship lineup from Samsung for the new year, it's no surprise that fans are buzzing with excitement. While many details about the phone are still under wraps, recent leaks have shed light on one key aspect of the series: its colors. If you've been curious about what shades the Galaxy S25 will come in, we've got you covered. Samsung is known for shaking things up with the color options for its flagship phones, and the Galaxy S25 is no exception. Thanks to leaked images of SIM tray replacements, courtesy of trusted leaker Roland Quant, we now have a clearer idea of what to expect. These SIM trays, designed to match the phone frames, have revealed the fun and stylish palette Samsung has chosen for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models. Similar trend seen with Apple's recent iPhone launches. By opting for brighter, more engaging hues, both companies are appealing to users looking to make a statement with their devices. In contrast, the premium Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick to more traditional and conservative tones. Leaked images of the Ultra suggest a subdued spectrum of colors, possibly black, gray, or a muted green. While this approach appeals to users seeking a professional aesthetic, it has drawn criticism for lacking creativity compared to the standard models. It's worth noting that while the Galaxy S25's main colors might include black, green, purple, blue, and silver, availability could vary by region. Samsung has a history of tailoring its offerings to specific markets, so not all colors may be available everywhere. In addition, Samsung is likely to continue its trend of offering online exclusive color options. These shades are typically available only when purchased directly from Samsung's website. While there's no official word yet on what these exclusive colors might be, it's something to watch out for when the series officially launches. The colors of a smartphone are about more than just aesthetics. For many users, the shade of their device is a way to express their personality. A sparkling blue or mint green Galaxy S25 might attract users looking for a fresh, youthful vibe, while the timeless appeal of black or navy caters to those who prefer a classic look. Moreover, these choices reflect Samsung's commitment to offering something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to bold and fun colors or prefer a sleek and understated design, the Galaxy S25 series has you covered. The Galaxy S25 series promises to be a head-turner, not just for its performance, but also for its exciting color palette. From sparkling blue and mint green to navy and silver, Samsung is clearly upping its game in terms of style. And with the potential for online exclusive colors, the options might be even broader than we know. As the January 2025 launch approaches, we'll keep an eye out for any updates on these colors or other details about the Galaxy S25 series. Whether you're Team Bold or Team Classic, there's a Galaxy S25 color waiting for you. Which shade are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all things Galaxy S25 and beyond. It's finally removed all doubts about a new Galaxy Z Fold model arriving this year. If the leaks hadn't convinced you yet, today's announcement confirms it. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is real and it's arriving soon. But now, the big question is, how does this special edition differ from the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which was released just a few months ago? One of the first differences between these two foldables is their availability. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available in various markets around the world, the special edition might be harder to get. Samsung has only announced it in South Korea so far, with plans for it to reach China next. If you're in the West or other regions where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is sold, you may not see this special edition on store shelves anytime soon. Samsung describes the special edition as the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Fold ever made. Measuring just 10.6 millimeters when folded, it's slightly thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which comes in at 12.1 millimeters. Additionally, it weighs 236 grams compared to the Fold 6 239 grams. Not a huge difference, but notable for those who prioritize portability. When it comes to dimensions, the special edition is wider than the Fold 6, both when folded and unfolded. This difference gives it a broader display, making it more user-friendly for those who are used to regular smartphones. The unfolded dimensions of the special edition are 157.9, 142.6 x 4.9 millimeters, while the Fold 6 measures 153.5 x 132.6 x 5.6 millimeters. The wider design also leads to different aspect ratios. The special edition boasts a 2018 aspect ratio for its main display, while the Fold 6 uses a more traditional 4:3 ratio. This wider layout offers a slightly better experience for tasks like multitasking or viewing content. Samsung hasn't revealed much about any potential upgrades to the displays. However, we do know the special edition has an 8.0-inch main display and a 6.5-inch cover screen. In comparison, the Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch main display and a 6.3-inch cover screen. Both phones likely support 120Hz refresh rates, but Samsung hasn't confirmed this. In terms of durability, the special edition is made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra protection and features a distinctive stripe pattern on the back. Its frame is made from armor aluminum, ensuring it stays tough against everyday wear and tear. One surprising difference is the lack of S Pen support on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Samsung confirmed this on their South Korean store page. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does support the S Pen, making it the better choice for fans of Samsung's iconic stylus, even though it requires a separate purchase and doesn't have a built-in slot for storage. If the S Pen isn't a priority for you, the Special Edition might still be appealing, but it's worth considering this omission before making a decision. Both phones pack serious power under the hood. They share the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, which first appeared in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This powerful chip ensures that both devices can handle demanding tasks with ease. However, the Special Edition stands out by offering 16 GB of RAM as standard, whereas the Fold 6 comes with 12 GB. This extra RAM helps the Special Edition manage tasks like Galaxy AI more efficiently. The Special Edition also ships with 512 GB of internal storage, whereas the Fold 6 gives you options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. As for the battery, both models have a 4400 mAh unit, although Samsung hasn't mentioned if charging speeds differ between them. One of the most notable upgrades on the Special Edition is the primary camera. The Special Edition is equipped with a 200-megapixel main camera, compared to the 50-megapixel sensor on the Fold 6. This upgrade is significant and could be a game-changer for those who prioritize photography on their foldable device. Other camera specs remain similar across both devices, including the telephoto lens and the 4-megapixel under-panel camera. The Special Edition also has an advantage when it comes to connectivity as it supports Wi-Fi 7. This feature is only found on a few other Samsung devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the Fold 6 tops out at Wi-Fi 6E. Now, what about the price? The Special Edition will cost approximately $300 more than the Fold 6. In South Korea, the Special Edition will be priced at around $2,789,600 won or $2,036, while the 512 GB Fold 6 goes for $2,388,100 won or $1,743. Ultimately, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition brings some exciting upgrades like a larger display, 16 GB of RAM, and a 200-megapixel camera. But if S Pen support is important to you, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might still be the better choice. Either way, both of these foldables are top-tier devices, each with its own strengths.